Chapter 2, Get Jeans. Robbie, Robbie, time to get up. Robbie pulled his blanket up around his shoulders and started to turn over. Robbie, school today. School! It all came back to him. Today was the first day of third grade. In one motion, Robbie was on his feet. This morning, he was charged with a new energy. This was the year that he would be cool. He looked at the foot of his bed where his things were laid out for him. His backpack was still there. It was full. He and his best friend Doug had spent a long time yesterday carefully making out lists of supplies that they would need for third grade. Robbie's mother had taken the list to Harkins department store and had bought all his supplies for him. She had put the things into the backpack for him. Now Robbie picked up the backpack. He felt like he had better check everything himself. He unzipped the zipper and emptied it out. One by one, he began to check off everything on the list. Pencil box? Check. Glue stick? Check. Crayons? Check. Spiral notebook? Check. Number 2 pencils? Check. Ruler? Oh no! He dropped the ruler as if it had burned him. A pretty pony ruler? His mother had bought him a pretty pony ruler. He definitely could not show up at school with a pretty pony ruler. Third graders did not have designs on their rulers, and third grade boys did not have pretty pony on anything. His mother just didn't understand some things. He took the pretty pony ruler and stuck it under his mattress. It would be better to show up without a ruler. He